Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Ned from Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet, and today I want to talk about something that really upsets me, a little bit of right to repair, and a lot about getting the legal system involved with stuff that you should just generally be able to repair to begin with. And of course, it always seems to be the rich that are giving us a problem. Apple threatens Colombian mobile repairman with jail time. So this guy's like a Colombian Louis Rossman. He was doing lots of fun stuff and showing people how to repair stuff, showing people right in front of them how to repair stuff. And now Apple's all like, hey, you are not one of our... where is it? Basically, Apple's trying to say you are not a authorized dealer, so you shouldn't be making any repairs, and yeah. Seriously, Apple, screw you. I think you guys should be laying off the lawyers a little more and getting more developers and engineers, because you seem to have other problems, like the fact that your iPhone 15 doesn't have any new anything to it, and it runs so hot that the phones become spicy pillows really quickly, apparently. Oh my god, this is new. I didn't know it. I didn't know this. Pointing to problems with specific apps like Instagram and Uber, these apps that Apple themselves passed. And speaking of crazy, stupid BS, check this out. So, class action lawsuit against HP because their all-in-one printers won't scan or photocopy. No, not photocopy, but nothing will scan if there isn't a particular amount of ink in there. Of course, you can't photocopy if there's no ink, but you should be able to digitally send an email, a picture, but you can't, and it's going through court still. Now here, Lenovo, doing it right. Lenovo boss says 4 in 5 of our devices will be repairable by 2015. This is what we need, folks. This is what we truly need. I mean, on repairability, we have a plan by 2025. More than 80% of our repairable parts will be repaired again so that they can enter the circular economy to reduce the impact of the environment. And that's what I'm talking about. Recycle, reduce, reuse, all that stuff. Save the future, save the trees for our little kids and whatnot. And folks, that's about it. We got to take care of each other. We really got to start taking care of each other, because no one's else going to be taking care of us. We are all that we have, right? Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from Ned's Tech Bits. Have a good one, folks. And legit, take care of each other, right? Catch you later.